Oh, hey, you're already out here. Great. Let's get started. So my name is Shiloh. I am part of Troop 87 out of Groveley. I am partnering with New England Base Camp in creating scout videos for newer scouts to rank up easily in this time of distress. So, the requirement that we'll be focusing on today is 1C for scout. That requirement is demonstrate the scout sign. The scout sign is very simple. It uses your right hand, and you'll put it at a 90-degree angle, like such, with your thumb over your pinky finger, tying that together, and then your first finger, middle finger, and ring finger will be together like this, pointing straight up. And you'll be at a 90-degree angle. So, now that I showed you what the scout sign looks like, let me tell you what it stands for and what it represents. So your first finger represents your duty to God and country. Your second finger represents the duty to others. And your third finger, which is your ring finger, represents the duty to self. So that's the three fingers, and then the tie-off. So the reason why your thumb and pinky are like this is because it represents the brotherhood and the tying of all the scouts around the world. I hope this helped. I'm Shiloh, signing off. And remember, leaders will rise up.